Let us, see now a beautiful details, report with a beautiful guy. He always there. Our colleague, Da'i al-Hutri, he always somewhere and bring us a beautiful things and segments of news. Good morning, dear Da'i.
Good morning, my colleagues at the studio. Good morning, sunshine. Well, this is Da'i al-Hutri, and I'm reporting live from the Dhaman area. And to be specific, I'm in Dhaman Healthcare Center. So basically, since you just spoke about the arenas and fighting, well, this is the place to be. Let's hope not. If by any chance someone got injured, we are in the medical center here to shed the light on the importance of having more medical centers around the area and every area of Kuwait City. Now, the more the medical centers, the safer the citizens will be, the faster they will reach out to the medical centers, and of course, the faster they will be healed. Now, dear viewers, we are here today to shed the light on the specialties, the capacity, and of course, the location of this Dhaman Medical Health Center. So basically, we are having a distinguished guest with us who will be elaborating and of course telling us more about what's happening here, and of course telling us more about this primary healthcare center. We have Mr. Colin Benson, the Director Operation at PHC. Welcome and good morning to our show.
Good morning and thank you very much.
We're so happy and glad to have you here with us. And first of all, Mr. we would like to tell us more about Dhaman.
Certainly. So Dhaman was established first in 2015 as part of the National Development Plan, Kuwait 2035. The first phase of our strategic plan will be delivered by the end of this year, where we will have 5 primary healthcare centres and 2 hospitals. Overall, the 2 million expats approximately in Kuwait working in the private sector will be enrolled, will have mandatory enrolment in our Dhaman network from next year. We will have approximately 7,000 medical and admin staff working for Dhaman with various specialties.
That's very brilliant. Now let's talk about the opening. When was the Dhajij Primary Healthcare Medical Center was opened?
So this center, the Dhaman Primary Healthcare Center, was opened in December last year. It is one of 3 centers that are currently open, Dhaman, Hawali and Farwania. And by the end of this year, we will have opened Jafra and Ahmadi as well, which we're very excited about.
We are getting to see, inshallah, in the future, the expansions, more expanding of the primary healthcare center. Now, let's talk about this location. How did we choose it?
Yes, indeed. So as you can imagine, a project of this size, a lot of research goes into, most importantly, the benefits for the patient. And what is important for patients is accessibility and convenience. In this region, we are serving approximately 700,000 expatriates. So hence we chose this location. In this particular center, we have 3,000 square meters. It is close to the 6th ring road, so accessibility is very important. And it is one of the few medical centers in this area.
So basically, this helps the people to reach out to this place. Yes, exactly, if needed. Now, what about the medical specialties which are available in the center? Let's talk about them.
Certainly. So right now in our Dhaman Center, our main specialty is family medicine. We have a team of family medicine specialists, each with very specific postgraduate training in family medicine. And soon we will be adding specialties of dental, pharmacy, radiology, and pediatrics.
MashaAllah. So it's they provide pretty much everything needed by the patients or the people around or surrounding. Now let's talk about the capacity. What about the capacity?
So this particular center, we have 16 family medicine clinics, we have 8 dental clinics, and we have 5 pediatric clinics. So we can cater on a daily basis for approximately 500 to 600 patients.
Now, let's talk now about the advantages and the services that the medical center provides for the patients.
Certainly. So, this is one of, as I said, one of the newest centers in the Dhaman area. What is very important for us is the patient experience. So all of our specialists, all of our staff are very much focused on the patient journey. What is important for me as the operations director is that every patient who comes into our center has a feeling by the time they leave that they've been very well taken care of. So everybody as part of our team has a role to play in that patient experience journey. So for us, we want to ensure that our patients feel that they've been taken very well care of, that they've had a positive experience, and that they feel well nurtured and part of the Dhaman family.
Exactly. I mean, this should be the main goal of the center, to have the patients leave in a positive way, feeling good and feeling comfortable after all. Now, unfortunately, we are running out of time, but I will definitely ask one last question, which is, what are the details of the initiative provided by Dhaman to open the Dhagjij Vaccination Center?
Certainly. So what's very important for us is to support the communities that we work in. So community health is very, very important. In line with that, we work and support the Ministry of Health in every way possible. And in fact, some of our doctors were part of the initial pandemic response. Dhaman has offered this particular facility to the ministry to support their vaccination drive. In this centre, as I said, we can cater for several hundred patients per day. So we're offering that support to the Ministry of Health.
Thank you so much. So the option is there for the Ministry of Health also if they would like to use the medical center as a vaccination center. Thank you so much for being part of this interview. I know the mask can be a little bit irritating and annoying while talking, but we have to be, of course, careful and always be wearing our mask and social distance to stay safe and be happy after all. So basically, dear viewers, we are about to finish this live report and go back to my colleagues at the studio. Thank you.